This property is a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 2 half bath home. The list price has recently been reduced to $739,000. Interior features of this property include hardwood floors, a recreation or bonus room, a formal living room, an eat-in kitchen, a finished basement, and natural gas heat. On the outside, this property features street parking and a brick exterior finish. The approximate square footage is 1,798 square feet.